can be alone in the castle in the sky. We can run away and leave this world behind.
Hi there, and welcome back to Storybook Crochet. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making these charming little star crochet patterns. These are perfect for beginners or seasoned crocheters alike. Whether you're making it as a decoration, a gift, or creating a cute little baby mobile, this pattern will add a touch of magic to any project. For today's project, you are going to need a worsted yarn. This is a weight 4 yarn, and I got this color at Hobby Lobby. You're going to need some yarn scissors. I am using a 3.5 millimeter or US hook. You're going to need two 12 millimeter safety eyes. You're going to need a needle, a yarn needle, a stitch marker, and some fiber fill to finish off our project. So let's grab all of those supplies and we'll get started. All right, for this project, we are going to be creating two different star panels, the front and then the back separately, and then we're going to be single crocheting them together. So I've already made one panel. So after I show you how to do that, you're going to have to make a second one, and then we'll connect them together. So to get started, you're going to grab your yarn and make a magic circle. In this magic circle or magic ring, you're going to make 6 single crochets. All right, once you have your 6 created, you're just going to pull on that tail to close that opening. And that completes round number 1 of our star. For round number 2, we're going to begin by creating increases. So you're going to go into that very first stitch there, and you're going to create your first single crochet. And then you're going to go into that very same stitch and create your second single crochet. So we made our first increase in that first stitch there, and you're just going to repeat that around 6 times. So you're going to increase in each stitch around, and for round 2, this will give you a total of 12 single crochets. Okay, I now am going to place my stitch marker in the last stitch of my row, or my round there. Some people put it in the very first stitch, but I like to put mine in the last stitch. For round 3, we're going to start out by making 1 single crochet in that very first stitch. All right, and then you're going to increase in the second stitch. So we're going to put our 2 single crochets in that second stitch there. And you're just going to repeat that around. So the next one, you're going to make 1 single crochet and then increase. You'll repeat that around a total of 6 times, giving you 18 single crochets at the end of round number 3. All right, moving on to round 4, we're going to do the same type of pattern, but this time we're going to start out with 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 single crochet in the second stitch. So just 1 in each of those, and then you'll increase in the third stitch. So again, you'll just repeat that around. So 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and then increase in that third stitch. So continue that around for a total of 24 single crochets in round number 4. All right, so round number 5 will be our last increase round. So we're going to make 3 single crochets this time. 1, 2, and 3, and then increase in the fourth stitch. So just again repeat that around. So 3 single crochets and then increase for 6 times total, and then that will give you a total of 30 single crochets. And then after that, I will show you how to make the points of the star. All right, we're now going to make our first point. So we're going to keep working across, and you're going to start row number 1 of your point by making 6 single crochets around the same curve of the circle here. So just make 6 single crochets. So each of these points will be worked in rows. So at the end of each row that you create, you're going to chain 1, and then you're going to turn your piece over. So after our first row there of 6 single crochets, for row number 2, we're going to start by making a decrease. So we're going to go into that same stitch as our chain here, grab your yarn and pull it through, and then we're going to go through this next stitch. Grab your yarn and pull it through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook now. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 3, and that creates your first decrease. Next, we're going to create 2 single crochets, so 1 in each of the next 2 stitches. So there's the first one and the second one. And then for our last stitch, we're going to create another decrease. All right, and that completes row number 2, which will give you 4 single crochets. Then you're going to chain 1 and turn your piece over. For row 3, we're just going to put 1 single crochet in each stitch across. So that will give you, again, a total of 4 single crochets. All right, so we have our 4 made, chain 1 and turn. For the next row, we're just going to make 2 decreases. So decrease over the first 2 stitches and decrease over the last 2 stitches. This will give you 2 stitches left in that row. And then for our last row, we're just making 1 decrease. And this completes our point. So at this point, we're going to finish off our yarn. So pull your loop out a little bit. You're just going to want to cut a shorter tail there. All right, and that's our first point, and we can go ahead and weave in that end, or you can do them all at the end. That's up to you. So I'll show you how I do this. So I turn it over to where the back is facing me and weave it through the back. So I just come down a few rows here, and then I weave it down, and then I just go across one of the rows, and then you'll just cut that off. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do the next point, and then you'll complete that process for the rest of the points. You'll have a total of 5 points made with this star. All right, to start our next point, we're going to go in the very next stitch after the last one of your last point. So go into that very next stitch on your circle, insert your hook, you're going to pull your yarn through, and then you're going to chain 1. And that will connect our yarn so we can repeat the process for our next point. So for row 1, again, you're going to create 6 single crochets across. All right, once you have your 6 made, I crocheted over my tail, but if you didn't, you'll have to weave that in at the end. If you did crochet over it, you can just snip it off at this point, just to get that out of the way. All right, you're going to chain 1 and turn your piece over. Then you're going to make your decrease, 2 single crochets, and then decrease, giving you a total of 4 single crochets made. Chain 1 and turn. For row number 3, you're just going to single crochet 1 in each stitch across. I'm going to chain 1 and turn. For row 4, you're making 2 decreases. Chain 1 and turn. And our last row, we're just making 1 decrease to complete our point. All right, and then cut that off. So you're just going to repeat that process until you have all 5 points made. So if you need to go back and rewatch this segment here to remember how to make each row, go ahead and do that. Pause that, and then we will meet back once you have all 5 points completed. All right, as you finish your second star, don't finish off that last point, as we are going to continue from there when we connect the 2 pieces together. But before we do that, we need to grab our first panel that we've made, and we're going to add our eyes. So it's kind of up to you on placement. I like mine just a little bit lower, but you can do yours higher up or in the middle. So go ahead and find where you want your placement to be. Go ahead and place both eyes before you put your backs on, just so you can make sure you have them exactly where you want them. That looks pretty good to me. And then you'll just snap the backs on each of your eyes there. All right, so that's our first panel done. So grab your second panel, and to start off, we're going to go ahead and chain 1. And then you're going to put your 2 pieces together with the right sides facing out. So the back sides of each star will be together. And then you're going to turn the piece over so where the face is facing you, so you can see the eyes. All right, so at this point, we're going to be working through both panels for each stitch. So you're going to go through the front panel and then through the back panel. Grab your yarn and pull it through both, and then make your first single crochet. So along this side of the star, you're just going to evenly crochet down. About 5 single crochets will do it. Sometimes it's kind of hard to work through both panels, so you just kind of got to play around with that. And then once you get to the bottom of that, you're going to go into the little section there in between each of your points and make a single crochet. All right, and then you're going to go up the next side, evenly making single crochets up until you get to the very tip. All right, and then once you get to the tip, we're going to make 2 single crochets in the same spot there. So make your first one in the tip, and then go into that same spot there and make a second one. It just kind of rounds off the tip a little bit better there for you. All right, so you're just going to repeat that around, and you'll just make your evenly crochet about 5 single crochets around each side, 1 in between each point, and then make your increase at the tip of each point. Go around until you're about 3/4 of the way done. So I just leave this last one here completely undone. We're going to start stuffing at that point, and then we'll finish it off. All right, so at this point we are about 3/4 of the way around. We're going to go ahead and start stuffing. So you're just going to grab a little bit at a time, and I start in this first full point that we have finished over here. You're going to want to stuff that down into each point just to make sure that it gets evenly distributed. So grab some more and go into this second point, and then put some more in the third point here. And then as you finish crocheting around, you're just going to add a little bit more at a time, really focusing on those points. And then you're going to also want to make sure you put enough here in the middle as you go. So maybe as you get up the second side, add a little bit more. after the second one a little bit more, making sure you fill that point in, and then finish off at the very end here in this last point. We don't want to forget the top here. So go ahead and finish that around, finish stuffing, and then I'll show you how to finish off the point so we can be finished with our star. All right, once you come back to the beginning, don't forget to make your last increase in the very tip there of that last point. Okay, once you have that last stitch done, we're going to find the first single crochet you made, and you're going to make a slip stitch into that first stitch there to finish it off. Pull up your loop and cut a smaller tail. Kind of straighten out your star there, and then we're going to just go ahead and weave that in through the back of our star. Okay, I come out down a few rows down of the point there, and then just kind of come across again and snip that off. And there you have it. Our star is finished. Thank you so much for joining me in today's crochet adventure. I hope you enjoyed making your little star and that it adds a little sparkle to your projects. If you love this pattern, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. I will put a link to my playlist up above. I'd also love to see your creations, so feel free to share them with me on all of my social medias. Until next time, happy crocheting!